Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight online on Agoda. So first head over to agoda.com and from the search bar, make sure that you switch from hotels to flights. Next is choose if the flight you would want is a one-way or round trip and select the airport or location you're flying from and where do you plan to fly to. Next is select the dates of your departure and arrival, and of course, the number of passengers, and if it's economy, premium economy, business, or first class. You also have an option to add hotel and save up to 25%. Once everything is done, head over and start searching for flights. So, from the search results, depending on our preferences, here are the available flights and dates. On the date that we selected, you have an option to switch from the cheapest flights or the best overall flights and the fastest flight. Here are the airlines available. So just click on the specific flight that you would like to avail and click on select. So that's the flight for our departure. Next is select return flight from the lists. So we're just going to pick this since this is free. So the next step is add in your contact details. This is also where your confirmation will be sent. So add in your name, email, and phone number. Next is passenger details. If it's only you that's going to fly, make sure that you fill in the details about yourself. Make sure that they are all correct and accurate. Then proceed by on continue to add-ons. So these are optional, but you can also avail them. Also add bags. Next is you also have an option to upgrade your support level. Now these are all optional, but you can also select and avail any of this. Then once everything is good in this page, you can proceed with payment. And the only thing left to do is proceed and complete your payment. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!